So I'm here at this famous Malacca river and there are tons of tourists here. It's a really beautiful city. It's one of my favorite cities. So the reason I came to this city is I want to take as many drone shots as I can because there's a lot going on in this city. There's street art, there's a lot of cool people taking selfies, there's this thing here. I don't know what this is. So right now I'm gonna go rent a bicycle because that's the best way to explore the city, and I'm gonna take as many drone shots as I can. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so get ready for...
Why do you call it school money? Why do you call some guys?
Aha, that's what I need. Oh my god, this is fun. Oh wow, I have a bell. Woo! Would you look at that street art in the hidden alleyway? So cool. That's the beauty of Malacca. You get to find some random hidden street art and hidden cafes. So yeah, alright, now moving to the next location to fly my drone. Super fun. So I just stopped by here. There's a whole freaking ship, World War II, Pirates of the Caribbean style. And I just got some drone shots here. Wow, it's like a ghost town. There's nobody out here because this place is a bit far from the city and nobody's gonna come here on a bicycle. I'm the only crazy one. It's all about the shot, by the way. So I'm headed to this mosque right now. Yeah. How you doing? Alright, ignore it. I'm headed to this mosque right now and I'm gonna get some sick drone shots. Oh. God damn it. That's what you get. Anyways, look at, oh my god. Wow, this is beautiful. Alright, check it. I'm at the mosque right now. I'm looking for a place to fly my drone and I think I know where to go. Also, this place is super touristy, so there are a lot of people here. I think I got the shots that I needed. Now it's getting really hot. Alright, so I'm gonna compile the B-roll and I hope you guys enjoy. Black bars, please. I'm on top of a man-made desert right now. This moment is priceless. It's absolutely beautiful.